Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing only what's necessary, then start the toolkit. Verify Powershell version quickly. If out of date, install the supported release. Once done, extract PS App Deploy Toolkit into a consistent path, for example /deploy/toolkit, and open Deploy Application. PS1. You edit the header variables first, application name, author, install location, because they propagate through the task sequence. Make sure to save a copy before edits, so you can revert changes if a step behaves unexpectedly. Now you create the install logic. Script the flow and handle user experience. Start with show installation, welcome, and show installation progress to set expectations. Then call your installer from the files folder using execute MSI or execute process with explicit parameters. Once an installer completes, evaluate exit codes and map them to restart, success, or retry actions. This prevents silent failures. Also insert optional detection logic using test application installed or registry checks to skip unnecessary installs, and log every step for traceability. Finish by packaging and validating your deployment. Zip the toolkit folder with files and deploy application. PS1, then run tests in a fresh VM to confirm behavior. Make sure logging is enabled. Check logs /PS App Deploy Toolkit. Log for timestamps and error messages, and increase verbose logging if you need deeper insight. If the deployment fails, run deploy application. PS1 interactively to reproduce the issue and isolate the failing command. This often reveals missing files, wrong paths, or permission blocks that automated runs hide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.